Warm greetings to you. My name is Dr. Joseph Munyua. Today we are focusing on the action research method. An action research is a research method in the realm of the qualitative research methods. An action research is a research method that is generally applied in the social sciences with an intention of bringing about a positive change in a particular sphere of life. In that vein, an action research aims at addressing the practical concerns of people who are facing a particular immediate problem. In this case, the researchers intend to solve people's existing practical problems. Normally, similar to what happens in a contextual Bible study, an action research is a collaborative study in which both the researcher and the people who are experiencing the involved immediate problem collaborate in order to ensure that the resultant study will solve the said problem and bring about the desired positive change towards the enhancement of the quality of the said people's lives. Moreover, in its attempt to solve the involved immediate problem, an action research aims at increasing the existing stock of knowledge in the realm of the social sciences. At this point, it is imperative to note that this second aim of an action research distinguishes it from the applied research whose goal is solely to apply the unearthed socio-scientific knowledge in order to solve specific practical problems in a particular sphere of life, but not to enlarge the already existing body of knowledge in the realm of the social sciences. Thank you for your time. Subscribe to this YouTube channel for additional academic videos. Bye for now.